Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 7i, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, let's hold the power key. There we go, and then slide it down to power off. Now once the device powers off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. And you should see a really faint writing right here, recovery mode. So when you see it, give it a moment and it should put us into, well, there we go, the recovery mode. From here, simply choose your language, and there we go, we have access to rebooting the device, powering it off, wiping data, doing an online update, or a blue text, which I can barely see, install from storage, meaning updates or some other stuff. So basically whatever you want to select, you simply press on it like so. Now one thing that I'll mention is in the wipe data section, let me just put in the code 2784. We have two options. We have wipe data and then format data. And if you read the super faint, barely or almost invisible text right here, the wipe data, which is the first option, which also is the more eye-catchy one because it's in blue, actually does nothing. It's well, maybe not nothing, but in general consensus for the name that it holds, it's basically useless garbage. Wipe data that basically retains messages, photos, and basically all user data. Why the hell would wiping data not wipe data? I have no idea, but hey, just keep in mind when you're trying to remove everything from your phone, make sure you go with the format one instead of the wipe, because you ain't gonna wipe anything in this case. So from here, we do have a back button somewhere, there we go. So I'm gonna simply leave it by tapping on reboot and confirming it again. Honestly, I cannot even see the OK button because the brightness here is just abhorrent. And I think I missed it, so nope, never mind. So I did hit it correctly. So right now the device is rebooting, and it's gonna take us back to the Android system. So let's give it a moment. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.